You saw the title. Let's jump onto the video. Step 1. Wake up early. Start your day by waking up early, ideally between 5:30 and 6 a.m. Early mornings are the quietest, giving you uninterrupted time to focus on your goals. Set a consistent wake-up time to regulate your body's internal clock and improve your sleep quality. Step 2. Hydrate immediately. As soon as you wake up, drink a glass of water. Your body is dehydrated after a night's sleep, and hydrating first thing in the morning kickstarts your metabolism and helps flush out toxins. Add a slice of lemon for an extra boost of vitamin C and flavor. Step 3. Morning meditation or mindfulness. Spend 5 to 10 minutes meditating or practicing mindfulness. This helps clear your mind, reduce stress, and improve concentration. Find a quiet spot, sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing. Guided meditation apps can be a great help if you're new to this practice. Step 4. Stretch or exercise. Engage in some light stretching or a quick workout to wake up your muscles and get your blood flowing. This can be a 10-minute yoga session, a brisk walk, or a short, high-intensity interval training workout. Physical activity in the morning boosts your energy levels and improves your mood. Step 5. Healthy breakfast. Fuel your body with a nutritious breakfast. Opt for a balanced meal that includes protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Some great options are oatmeal with nuts and fruits, a smoothie with greens and protein powder, or eggs with avocado and whole grain toast. Avoid sugary cereals or processed foods that can lead to energy crashes later in the day. Step 6. Plan your day. Take 10 to 15 minutes to plan your day. Write down your top 3 priorities and schedule your tasks in order of importance. Use a planner, journal, or a digital app to keep track of your to-do list. Having a clear plan helps you stay focused and organized throughout the day. Step 7. Time management techniques. Incorporate time management techniques such as the Pomodoro Technique, where you work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times, then take a longer break. This method helps maintain high levels of productivity and prevents burnout. Step 8. Personal development. Dedicate some time each morning to personal development. This could be reading a book, listening to a podcast, or learning a new skill. Choose content that inspires and educates you, helping you grow personally and professionally. Step 9. Positive affirmations. Start your day with positive affirmations. Affirmations are powerful statements that can help you build confidence and a positive mindset. Examples include, "I am capable of achieving my goals," or "Today will be a productive and successful day." Repeat these affirmations aloud or write them down in a journal. Step 10. Digital detox. Avoid checking your phone or emails as soon as you wake up. Instead, spend the first hour of your day away from screens. This helps you stay focused on your morning routine without getting distracted by notifications or social media. Step 11. Tidy up. Spend a few minutes tidying up your space. A clean and organized environment can boost your productivity and reduce stress. Make your bed, put away any clutter, and ensure your workspace is ready for the day ahead. Step 12. Gratitude practice. End your morning routine with a gratitude practice. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each morning. This simple habit can shift your mindset to focus on the positives, enhancing your overall well-being and motivation.